Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to uninstall Roblox without Microsoft Store. To begin with, open the store and you can see that Roblox is installed from there. Now in the search box, enter Control. In the menu options, click on Uninstall a program. After this, on the search field, enter Roblox. Select Roblox Player and after click on Uninstall. Wait for Roblox to be uninstalled from system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.